Latin NCAP decided to perform an audit test on the Hyundai HB20, and it showed lower side impact protection to the adult chest than the same model tested in September 2019. The adult safety rating was downgraded to 1 star after it showed one biometrical parameter in levels higher than allowed in the Latin NCAP, causing the chest color to turn red, which means poor protection in the side impact. In Latin NCAP Protocols 2016 to 2019, under which the model was assessed, a red critical body region limits the result to no more than 1 star. Latin NCAP will announce the first 2020 results under the new assessment protocols later this month.